Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. From last topic, the last lesson, observing Allah, which you have watched the slide and recorded lesson. I hope you learn many facts about this topic. Today we are continuing this lesson, and I'm sure now you have many important facts in your mind, so it will make easy for you to understand this topic very well. So now I would like you to, there are two ayat of, one ayah is Surah Kaf, ayah 16, and the other surah is Surah Nisa, ayah 108. I have already give you the links of these ayat. Please click on these links one by one. You can listen the recitation of these ayat that will help you to recite the ayat after that by taking care of pronunciation. Once you finish your recitation, so you need to read the translation of these two ayat and then get ready for the questions which you can see in the slide above in task 1. Read the questions carefully and then write down the answers in your notebook. Then we will share learning objectives. Today you are going to learn the importance of a concept and importance of observing Allah, and you will learn also the benefits of observing Allah. Now you can see there is a link. Go to that link and watch the video related to the topic and note down the important facts while watching the video, because these facts will help you doing the questions, answer the questions which are there in the next slide. There are few questions. We will go through these questions, read the questions carefully, and then answer it on your notebook. Question number 1. How important is to develop the fear of Allah in order to lead a successful life? Give reference of an ayah that shows the importance of fearing Allah. Question number 2 is, search an example from Seerah that shows the importance of having fear of Allah and what lessons we can learn from that example. Number 3, having fear of Allah is a blessing. What would happen if people do not have fear of Allah in their hearts? Mention some consequences which you observe from day-to-day life. But before doing these three questions, please remember that fear of Allah only develops when we have this feeling that He is here to watch us. After doing the answers, then you need to go to the next slide, which is plenary. So you will write down what have you done or learned today, and how would today's topic help you to improve your behavior, not only towards Allah, but people around you. Thank you so much. If you need any help, please write to me. I am always here to support you. Assalamu alaikum.